In this video, let us again solve some more problems on circles. Let us see how the question goes here. In the figure, O is the center of the circle of radius 5 centimeters. OP is perpendicular to AB, OQ is perpendicular to CD, AB is parallel to CD, AB equals 6 centimeters and CD equals 8 centimeters. Determine PQ. Now let us look how the diagram goes. So here is the diagram. We have a circle with center O, which has got a radius of 5 centimeters. CO and AO are both radii of the circle. So it is 5 centimeters each. And then we've got AB parallel to CD, and then we've got these points here. These 2 points are the P and Q. So the main thing is we need to find the length of PQ. So how do we go about that? Now again, going back to the property, since the perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisects the chord, therefore P and Q are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Very simple. So therefore, consequently, we have AP equal to PB equal to half of AB, which is nothing but 3 centimeters because AB is 6 centimeters. And also we have CQ equals QD equals half of CD. CQ equals QD, which is equal to half of CD, which is equal to 4 centimeters because CD is equal to 8 centimeters. Now, in the right triangle OAP, this one, in the right triangle OAP, we have OA square equals OP square plus AP square. OA square is equal to 5 square. Why? Because OA is the radius of the circle and the radius is 5 centimeters. And we have OP square is what we need to find, which is unknown. And then AP square is nothing but 3 square. So 5 square minus 3 square equals OP square, which is nothing but 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9 equal to OP square, or OP square equal to 16. So if OP square equals 16, then OP equals square root of 16, or OP equals 4 centimeters. So we've obtained what is OP now. Let me just extend this thing. So this is OP, which is 4 centimeters. So next thing we need to find is OQ. Because once we find OP and OQ, we can subtract them to find PQ, which is what eventually we have to find. So now let us consider another right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle OQC, we have OC square equals OQ square plus CQ square. Now OC square is equal to 5 square. Why? Because it is the radius of the circle. The radius is 5 centimeters. And OQ square is what we need to find. And CQ square is nothing but 4 square. So we have OQ square equals 5 square minus 4 square. OQ square equals 25 minus 16. OQ square equals 9. Or OQ equals square root of 9. OQ equals 3 centimeters. So here we are. This is equal to 3 centimeters. So 4 centimeters minus 3 centimeters is 1 centimeter. And so therefore, PQ equals 1 centimeter. The concept that we had to use to solve the problem was no different from the last problems, but just that we had to do it a little differently to get the answer that was required. So let us quickly solve another problem. Here the question goes like this. In the figure, O is the center of the circle of radius 5 centimeters. OP is perpendicular to AB. OQ is perpendicular to CD. AB is again parallel to CD. AB equals 6 centimeters and CD equals 8 centimeters. Determine PQ. The question is exactly the same as the last one, but still we haven't seen the figure. So let us see how the figure is. We have OP perpendicular to AB. So here we go. OP is perpendicular to AB and OQ is perpendicular to CD. So the construction here would be to join O and A, which is the radius of the circle, and also O and C, which is again the radius of the circle. let's see how do we go about solving this problem. Now again, the concept to be used here is the same as since the perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisects the chord, therefore P and Q are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. So again, we have to write AP equals PB equals half of AB, which is equal to 3 centimeters because AB is 6 centimeters. And again, CQ equals QD equals half of CD, which is nothing but 4 centimeters because CD equals 8 centimeters. Now let us consider the right triangles OAP and OCQ, but let us go one by one. Considering the right triangle OAP, we have OA square equals OP square plus AP square using the hypotenuse rule. Now OA square is equal to 5 square because OA is the radius of the circle and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. And OP square is what we need. And AP square is 3 square. So we have OP square equals 5 square minus 3 square, which is 25 minus 9. We have OP square is equal to 16, or OP equals square root of 16, which is nothing but 4 centimeters. So we have OP as 4 centimeters. That is from here till here. Now, the next thing is, considering the right triangle OCQ, we have OC square equals OQ square plus CQ square. Now, OC is again 5 centimeters because it is the radius of the circle. OQ is what we need, so OQ remains OQ square. CQ square is nothing but 4 centimeters, so 4 square. So we have OQ square equals 5 square minus 4 square, or OQ square equals 25 minus 16, or OQ square equals 9. So if OQ square equals 9, OQ is equal to square root of 9, OQ equals 3 centimeters. So here we are. We have found OQ to be equal to 3 centimeters. Now we need to determine PQ, which is nothing but the sum of OQ and OP. So PQ equals to 4 plus 3, which is 7 centimeters. So here we are. Another very simple sum based on the same property that we've used to solve the previous 3 problems.